firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. If you need to find today's sentence, it's under August 26th, but other than that, the date is used as a learning tool and you can watch this on any day. So let's get started. We're going to start with the calendar. This is a calendar. We're going to start with the months of the year. Do you know how many months are in 1 year? 12. Let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months in the year. Today we're talking about August. August is in the season of summer. Summer is the hottest season. There are 4 seasons in the year, and summer is the hottest. After summer, it starts to cool down in the fall. The leaves will change colors and they'll fall off the trees. Then it becomes winter, which is our coldest season. Then it starts to warm up again in the spring. The leaves will come back on the trees, the flowers will bloom, and then it becomes summer, our hottest season again. So August is in the summer. If you have your calendar, you can take it out now and try to find August. August comes after July, and circle August. We're going to figure out the date that comes after 25 by counting. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is a 2 and a 6. Our calendar has a pattern. It's an ABB pattern, red, black, black. So let's figure out what color our 26 needs to be. Red, black, black, 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 red, black. We need a black 26. So if you have your calendar, try to find 26. It's a 2 and a 6. Next, we're going to do days of the week, so you can take that out. Our number of today is 26. Our letter of today is E. A short E says like egg. And a long E says its name, E, like in the word bee. Okay? How would I say August 26th? I don't say it that way. I would say it's August 26th. I add a TH. August 26th. Today is August 26th. That's how you say it. Okay? Now we're going to do days of the week. We're going to start with our song. If you know the 7 days of the week song, sing it along. Ready? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are the 7 days of the week. So today is, for this video, today is Wednesday. And if today's Wednesday, what day was it yesterday? Yesterday is the day that comes before. So you would say, yesterday was Tuesday. If today is Wednesday, what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow would be Thursday. today's Wednesday, you circle Wednesday, and then yesterday was Tuesday. If today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. That's how you do this one. You can ask your adult what today is and try to figure it out based on the actual date, or you can do it with me. And today is Wednesday for this video, so yesterday would be Tuesday and tomorrow would be Thursday. You look here. You look before and after to answer those two questions. Okay? Now I said we're talking about August, so that's in the season of summer. You might be watching this video in a different season. Now to figure out the weather, I look out my window and I can see it is sunny. And to feel the weather, I would need to step outside to feel it. And I know today is sunny and hot where I live. Where you live, you might look out your window and you might see it's very windy. You might see it's snowing. You might not be able to see the sun, so you'd say it's cloudy. Or you might see it's raining and you'd say rainy. So that's what you can see. Then you step outside and you might say, oh, it is hot. I could go swimming today. Or you know what, it's pretty hot, but definitely not swimming weather, so it's warm. Or if it's freezing, you would say it's a cold day. If it's not freezing, but pretty cold, you would say it's cool. So that is our weather. So you could do your weather report graphing. I don't have it here now, but you can do that based on the weather. Okay? We're going to move on now to math. So if you have your counting by twos and your counting by fives, you can take that out now. This is your twos, this is your fives. You read the numbers in black. If you don't have that, you can read it with me up here. The twos are in green, the fives are in black. Let's read it together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Great job. Now we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Amazing. Now if you look at the bottom, you'll see the numbers in red. Those are counting by tens, all the way to 100. Can you do it with me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Amazing. So you can print out your counting by twos, your counting by fives, and your counting by 10 worksheets to practice that. Now we're going to get our math for the week. This week we're talking about subtraction. Subtraction means you're taking something away from how many you had. If I have 4 slices of pizza and I ate 1, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we're going to do it with our worksheet for today with frogs. There are 2 frogs minus 1 frog. So that means one of these frogs left. So this means I cross off one of these frogs. How many frogs are left? 1. There are 2 frogs and 2 left. So I cross off 1 and I cross off 2. How many are left here? 0. There are 3 frogs and 1 left. How many are left? 1, 2. That is how you do that worksheet. This side tells you how many hopped away. numbers. So when we have numbers, I really, really, really want you to use some sort of counter to help you. We have counting mats you can print. So it says there are 4. So you take 4 of something. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 goes away. So you can put your 1 here. And it says, how many are left in your first pile? 1, 2, 3. That is how you do it with numbers. Okay? I'm going to turn this over. And I'm going to do a couple more with numbers. Let me get something to erase. Okay. We're going to use, so I have 3 frogs and 1 leaves. How many are left? So this is, you can use this. There are 3 frogs. You can use popsicle sticks. You can use counters. You can use tiny erasers. You can use little pieces of paper. You can print our counters and use those if you want. We have all different counters you can print, but please use counters to help you. You can use blocks. You can use anything as counters. So it says there are 3. So you put 1, 2, 3 of your counters. And you take 1 away. So you take 1 away from your 3 and put it down here. How many are left? How many are left up here? How many didn't go away? 1, 2 is my answer. Okay? I have 2 frogs and 2 left. How many are left? I have 2 frogs, so I put 2 popsicle sticks. 1, 2. And 2 frogs left. 1 left. 2 left. How many are left up here? How many popsicle sticks are left up here? 0. That is how you use that box with counters. That's our subtraction mat. Okay? You can print that one, and there's also one without the words that you can print if you understand how to do it, or you can do it with the words so an adult can help you. Now please work on your subtraction. You have your dinosaurs, that is addition. Remember, addition means this is addition. If it has this, this means addition. If it has this, this means subtraction. Addition means how many all together. Subtraction means something left. So with the dinosaurs, this is addition. So you count all together. 1 dinosaur came to 3 dinosaurs. How many dinosaurs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 dinosaurs. This is subtraction. There are 3 dinosaurs. 1 left. So you cross 1 off. How many are left? 2. Subtraction, addition. So we have that you can try. We have the candy one you can try. And we have the kitty one you can try. And we have the froggy one you can try so far. Okay? And tomorrow we're going to work on more with numbers. The frog has one with numbers you can try. So try to get this one and some of these ones done today. Let me see if my kitty one's here. And this is the kitty one. Okay? So these ones all have pictures, and the frog adds one with just numbers. When you see numbers, please use a counter. So these are the worksheets we're working on so far. All worksheets you can print for free at firststepreading.com. Okay? Every worksheet you can print. Now we're going to move on to science. Science this week is experiments. experiments. We did our egg experiment. Remember, we stuck egg in vinegar. And the shell went away and it became squishy. Don't squish it too hard or it will pop. But you can touch it carefully if your adult says you can. And we did our invisible ink experiment. I don't know if you can see that far away, but when you put a hairdryer, you can actually see very lightly, but you can see what you drew in lemon. If your adult uses a hairdryer over it, you can see your picture. We also did the pepper and soap experiment. And today we're going to do a Skittles experiment. We need 1 package of Skittles, 1 plate, and some water. Okay? So what do I think is going to happen with my Skittles? Here's my Skittles. What do I think is going to happen when I put the warm water on my Skittles? That's what I write there. That is my hypothesis. Do I think all the colors are going to blend together and are going to turn brown? What do I think is going to happen? So I can write or draw what I think is going to happen. And then down here I write what actually happened. So let me go get some warm water. 1 second. I have warm water. And I'm going to move everything, so if I spill, everything doesn't get wet. Okay? Okay, I have my warm water. I have my Skittles. I put them around the edge, and I made a pattern, just so the colors are spread out. I'm going to very carefully pour my water all the way over till it's over my Skittles. And then I'm going to leave it there and not touch it. Do not move it. And I'm going to see what happens. I already see something happening. I'm going to pick up my camera so you can see what's happening. So I already see this is pretty fast. Look what is happening. Where's the colors going? And they're not mixing together. Look at that. They're making very distinct lines towards the center. And it's happening pretty quickly. You can see it's moving. This is what's actually happening and how fast it is happening. And look at that. That is the design it made. It's pretty cool, huh? Just with Skittles and warm water, and they didn't even mix the colors. The colors, you could see them all separate. So you can try that experiment at home with a bag of Skittles, warm water on a plate, if your adult says you can. So that is our Skittles experiment. That was pretty fun. So I can draw what happened with colors in my experiment. I had my hypothesis and my result. So you can try that at home too if you'd like. And now we're going to move on to language arts, reading and writing. We're going to start with our vowel song. Ready? A is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. A is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E, I, O, and U. If it's not one of those letters, it's called a consonant. In long vowel words, the first vowel says its name, A, E, I, O, or U, and the second vowel will say nothing. So let's sing vowel, vowel, consonant song. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. The first vowel says its name, E. The second vowel says nothing. I said E because today we're working on E. So this is our sentence, and it's actually 2 sentences today. How do I know it's 2 sentences? Because there's 2 periods. These are my sight words. Get, on, her, and A. So you will see get, on, her, and A. These are from book 1. These are from book 2. When I say book 1 and book 2, I mean when do we first introduce them? These are first introduced in book 1. These are first introduced in book 2, but they repeat, okay? So sight words are the words you need to memorize. Make flashcards, make a word wall, watch the sight word videos, practice, practice, practice. You do not want to have to stop and try to figure out these words while you're reading, because these are the words that you're going to see a lot. So if you know them, you'll read better and you'll understand what you're reading better. Okay? So let me underline my sight words. Gets, on, her, and A. Now I'm going to circle the other words because the other words are phonics words. I do not try to memorize every word. There are words where I should stop and sound them out because you can't memorize every word. You need to have tools to sound out words that you do not know. And this TH is called a digraph. So these are from book 2, these digraphs. The last story goes over these digraphs. Sh, k, we've done so far. Sh, k, th, we're there. Tomorrow will be ing, okay? So we're doing from this story. There's a song and there's a video on sounding out these digraphs. So you can watch that video, and there's also this story for practice. Now let's try. So this says, can you say that? It's hard. It's hard to even hear, but it's how you say that sound. So now I'm going to underline my vowels. If there's one vowel, it makes it sound. If there's more than one vowel, the first vowel says its name and the second vowel says nothing. Okay, the only long vowel word here is my EED word family. The rest are going to say their sound just like my consonants. So let's get started. At, pat, gets, mud, mud, on her. Pat gets mud on her. Sentence 1. At, pat, need, needs, a, bath, bath. Pat needs a bath. Now I'm going to read both sentences. Pat gets mud on her. Pat needs a bath. Those are my 2 sentences for today. You can print them under August 26th. You will find this. You can practice reading that. Goes over sight words and this TH sound and long vowel E and a review of short vowels. So that is our language arts for today. It's reading. If you want to practice writing, you can write on your science experiment where it says draw what you think will happen. You can try to write what you will think will happen. I think, and think is right here. You can use that word. I think, what do you think will happen? I think the candy color will, whatever I think is going to happen. I think the candy color will mix or not mix, whatever you think is going to happen. And then you end with a period. Use your sounds, stretch the words to sound them out. It doesn't matter if everything is spelled perfectly. You can have your sight words in front of you to help you with those words, like I and the and will are sight words. The rest, just try your best, right? That's how you can write a sentence in science. Okay, so that's a writing thing you can do, the reading, and we have subtraction, and we have science experiments. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. We're going to do the fireworks, so you're going to need warm water, a vase or a tall glass, vegetable oil, and food coloring. Okay? That's what we're going to do tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi, this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading, and follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.